Hi guys, I'm Nicole and I'm the Selfish Sewist. Today I want to come talk to you about what I made in July. My husband and I went on vacation in July to California, so I wanted to make a few items that would be good and comfortable and travel friendly for our vacation. So if you're interested in seeing what I made, let's go ahead and just get started. I'll start with the Made for Mermaids Adeline dress that I made. I made this out of a really nice brushed poly that I got from Fashion Fabrics Club. And the nice thing about taking stuff like this on vacation is it obviously doesn't wrinkle. So I could just put it in my suitcase and know that it was good to go. We did go have dinner at the Torrey Pines Lodge at the Torrey Pines Golf Course, which was beautiful, and I wore this there, and I think it came out really beautiful, and I'll insert a picture of me wearing it because I do think it is really flattering. This bodice ended up being really short on me, so what I did was added, I think this is a 3-inch waistband, which actually came out really nice. It defined my waist really well, so I was really pleased with this. I did make this in the maxi length, and I actually squeezed this out of 4 yards of fabric, which I was a little surprised because this skirt is so big. But with the waistband, I was able to kind of take that off the length of the skirt, so it actually ended up working out really well. I'm really pleased with this, and I feel like I'll get a lot of use out of this as more like a dressy casual dress, which will be really nice, and I think even in the fall with a cardigan I can get away with this. So I was really pleased with the way that one came out. And then the other dress I made was I did make another Charlie caftan. I actually wore this on the plane flying out to California, and this is made out of this great double gauze that I got from eBay. And I am just obsessed with these Charlie caftans. I already have another one planned for August, just because they're so comfortable. And out of this double gauze, it's so nice. It's so breathable. I'm just in love with these guys. So I did make this one the shorter length. I made the maxi length I think a couple of months ago, which I do love and wear all the time. But the shorter length is nice too, so I was really pleased to get that guy done as well. And then I made just 2 t-shirts. So I made a plain black tee, which you can't really see anything. And then I also made it in this beautiful art gallery fabric. These two are identical. This is the Grain Lane Lark tee, and I made both of them with the scoop neck and the cap sleeve. I did alter the bottom a little bit to put a curved hem on it. I like a curved hem. I think that they're just a little bit more flattering. So I will say I was a little surprised. I typically have to lengthen my patterns by 1 inch on the bodice. So I did that, and then when I got it all cut out and everything, and tried it on before I hemmed it, like it was very long. Like it was like borderline dress length on me. I think I ended up taking out 3.5 or 4 inches from the bottom, just because it was super long on me. So I did go ahead and curve that hem, which I do love. These are great tees. I'll definitely make the there's multiple neck variations, so I will definitely be making more of these in the future. I made both of these out of art gallery fabric. I find that for myself, I just prefer t-shirts that are like the 95% cotton, 5% spandex. Which when I buy t-shirts from Eddie Bauer is typically what I buy, but that's just the most comfortable for me. So that's what I made this out of, and the black one as well is also art gallery fabric. And I just think they're super comfortable. So I was glad to have these on vacation. Let's see, and then the very last thing I made was the Seymour Canan Tucket shorts. These did come out really cute. I didn't muslin these. I just made these out of this this linen that I feel like everybody bought from Joann's. But I did really like the way it came out. I like this kind of little side detail here where it comes like more forward in the front, so you can see it kind of like almost folds over in the front, which I did think was really flattering. I can't remember what size I made, but these did come out just a tiny bit big for me. And I think just because I have the drawstring waist, I will size down next time. Just I think because they'll be a little bit more comfortable. I really had to like bunch my drawstring in the back to get it to fit properly. So next time I'll just go ahead and size down. But that was the last thing I made before we went on vacation. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please go ahead and like and subscribe, and I will be back very soon with a vacation fabric haul and my August plans. Talk to you soon. Bye.